In front of me is VIVO IQOO Z8, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Printing and tap on Default Print Service. Now just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use a different service, turn off this one. Go back. Select Add Service and download the best one for you. Then just go back to the same printing settings. Now you can tap on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!